Every journey starts with a spark. A moment when something inside you says, go. Some paths cross, others twist, turn, and some might even surprise you. You follow clues, pick up insights, each one shaping the direction you decide to go next. And then, it hits you. The path ahead isn't drawn for you. You create it on your own. In the choices you make, in the chances you take, the figuring it out moments, the do-overs, the lessons you never saw coming. Because the real treasure isn't what's waiting for you at the end. It's what you uncover along the way.